Today, for your creative brief, we want you to explore the traits and characteristics you were born with.
You must produce a special effects character that represents one of the signs of the zodiac.
But before we start, we thought we would bring in an expert to judge your looks. Someone whose special effects wizardry and portfolio of face art has won them over 1 million followers online. Introducing viral superstar, Vanessa Davis.
Hi everybody, thank you so much for inviting me, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. I'm mostly known for my creative, theatrical, special effects, maximalist creations of face art and body art. You may know me as the Sculptress. And I'm also a working makeup artist with over 20 years experience in theatre, opera, and film and TV. Your makeup today should not only showcase your technical knowledge of prosthetics, but also deliver a high-impact look that I can't take my eyes off of.
MUAs, you're gonna have 2.5 hours to manifest your astrological makeup.
So, are you ready?
Yes!
All right then, let's bring in the models.
So I am a Scorpio. Scorpios are water signs, so I'm creating like a sea monstress. I have called her the Queen of the Current. She can control the tide when need be.
So you're gonna control the tide
I'm
of the
going to control the tide
situation.
today, exactly, and just churn out a sickening look.
Of course.
Of course.
Wowzers, Wezley.
Let's come along quickly.
I want her to be quite scaly, like she's been living down in the depths of the ocean now for a while.
Wezley is very good at creating a character.
You made these?
I did make these, yeah, I did make these out of cocktail sticks. I just put it on card and then put layers of latex over it and then kind of bent them and cut them out. And they're just gonna sit kind of like that on the sides here.
MUAs, you have 30 minutes left.
Would you just like hold them for me a little bit, like kind of push them into your like lip?
How they dry?
They should like kind of dries.
MUAs, you have 10 minutes left.
This headpiece is definitely the finishing touch.
Wezley, please step forward.
I'm coming. So I am a Scorpio and I wanted to represent being a water sign.
What I love is you have created an emotion within the makeup. Your model looks sad.
The character kind of feels like it lives in like a children's musical or something like that. And I love the paper prosthetics you fashioned yourself.
The colour work is just really beautiful. The teals and the turquoises and those limey acid greens is a really clever way of creating that sort of damp wetness.
Yeah.
But I don't like the teeth.
Okay.
Why are they stuck on a lip? It doesn't work.
Okay.